You say you gonna make my old shoes do what? Look new again? I believe it when I see it.
What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy TJ from BK with another restoration here at the Fountain of Shoeth. Today we've got these women's Gucci Blossom sneakers. We're going to be unyellowing this rubber outsole. We're going to be cleaning up these scuff marks and giving it a deep clean inside and out using shoe trees, our microfiber towel FC150, and our soft, medium, and stiff bristle brushes. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, first things first, we're going to be taking out these insoles.
That was easy.
Then we're going to be inserting our shoe trees.
Perfect.
Set the left side to the side for now. We're going to go ahead and start with our cleaning solution. We're going to work on the outsoles first, and we're going to work on the uppers. So we're going to use our cleaning solution. We're going to get our stiff bristle brush. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the uppers using our cleaning solution and a soft bristle brush, being that this thread, and this is kind of like a rougher cotton material slash leather. It's like a mixture there. So I'm going to go ahead and use the soft bristle brush on these uppers with our cleaning solution, which is FC150.
Serious?
Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the inside. Removing our shoe tree, getting some more of our soap. Now that that's done, we're going to flush these out. We're going to rinse these, flush these out, then I'm going to touch up these rubber outsole using acetone. These rubber outsoles, when you use acetone on them, they clean up very well. I'm going to demonstrate how that works after I'm finished doing the other side and this one. I'm going to demonstrate how that works for you, and we'll be back with that after I do the other side and rinse them out and they're completely dry. Be right back. Alright, YouTube, we're back. After letting these women's Gucci Blossom slip-ons dry, I went ahead and did the right foot, the acetone. I did the front, sides, back, and bottom.
Perfect.
And as you can see, it got a lot of the scuffs off the sides. When it comes to these rubber outsoles, I was telling you earlier in the video that the acetone works really well when it's white or cream color. If it's painted, you don't want to use it because the acetone can remove paint. So I did the right foot. I went ahead and did the right foot.
That was
This is
easy.
the left side. As you can see, there's still some scuff marks there. Some on the toe. Some on the sides on the inner part. Closer to the midsole area. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did this right foot on this left one. So using the acetone, I just get a cotton swab. I don't oversaturate because you don't want it to drip on anything that's painted or like the graphics up here. You don't want to be too messy with the acetone. So just, get enough on your cotton swab where you can just start rubbing the areas where you have those scuff marks. How did I know to use this method on these type of shoes? I've cleaned Vans in the past where it was just white and completely rubber. This has a little bit of a more plastic feel than the actual white rubber that you might find on Vans. So these are a bit smoother, and the acetone works really well. You can see all the dirt going on the cotton swab as I'm cleaning it. So on this heel area, you want to be careful if you have these shoes and you're working on them, because the actual Gucci tab at the bottom that's embedded within the midsole of this rubber outsole, it's actually painted, so you don't want to rub acetone on there or it'll start removing the red paint or the burgundy colored paint that's on there. So you want to just rub your cotton swab around it to get those areas that are white. Being that this is like a rectangular shape, it's easier to clean. I could just use my nail and hold the cotton swab as close to it as I could get as possible. And just like that, I cleaned it up. As well as all the dirt marks that the dirt marks and scuffs that the medium bristle brush and the soft bristle brush couldn't really take out. So sometimes your swabs get a little too dirty. Just want to switch it to a fresher one. And there you have it.
That was easy.
These have been cleaned up with the acetone all around this rubber white outsole. Now to get that illuminating white, as you would find on these when they're dead stock, when they're brand new, I'm gonna go ahead and use my sole sauce, put it all over the bottom and on the sides, leave it in my indoor setup, and I'll be back with those results to show you how it looks on both of them.
Serious?
And these are almost done. After that, should be good to go. Alright you guys, after 2 days of sitting in my indoor UV setup using some soul sauce, we got these women's Gucci Blossom slip-ons looking close to brand new once again. I'm sure the owner will be happy. We did them on both sides and we got them looking brand new. I'm sure the owner will be happy. I also used the iron method on these uppers using a damp t-shirt and the iron.
Well done.
Got out some of the creasing as well. That wraps it up for this restoration on these women's Gucci Blossom slip-ons. Once again, we have ourselves another
Flawless victory.
Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't be afraid to comment. It's your boy TJ from BK here at the Fountain Shoe. Until next time.